Welcome back to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of e-commerce success: product research and selection. Choosing the right products to sell is essential for the profitability and sustainability of your online business. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of conducting product research and selecting winning products for your store. Let's get started. 1. Understand your target audience. It's crucial to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, preferences, and pain points? By understanding your audience, you can identify products that resonate with their needs and preferences. 2. Research market trends. Research market trends to identify products that are in demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon Best Sellers, and social media insights to gauge popular trends and consumer behavior. Look for products with consistent demand and growth potential. 3. Analyze competition. This is key to identifying gaps and opportunities in the market. Look at what your competitors are selling, their pricing strategies, and their customer reviews. Identify products that are performing well for your competitors and consider offering your unique spin on them. 4. Consider profit margins. When selecting products, consider the profit margins. Look for products with healthy profit margins that allow you to cover your costs and generate a sustainable income. Factor in expenses like product sourcing, shipping, and marketing when calculating your margins. 5. Evaluate product quality and suppliers. Product quality is crucial for customer satisfaction and repeat business. Research suppliers and manufacturers to ensure they offer high-quality products that meet your standards. Consider ordering samples to evaluate product quality firsthand before committing to a supplier. 6. Test products before scaling. Before scaling your product offerings, consider testing them on a smaller scale. Start with a limited selection of products and monitor their performance. Pay attention to customer feedback, sales data, and profitability to determine which products are worth scaling. 7. Stay flexible and adapt. Finally, remember to stay flexible and adapt to changing market dynamics. E-commerce is a dynamic and evolving landscape, so be open to adjusting your product selection based on market trends, customer feedback, and emerging opportunities. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to product research and selection for your e-commerce store. By understanding your audience, researching market trends, analyzing competition, considering profit margins, evaluating product quality, testing products, and staying adaptable, you can build a successful and profitable online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your product research journey.